Introducing the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, and more. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.